Hey guys, I'm just coming in on the front end of this video just to let you guys know that I will have a separate update video later on everything, because I know a lot of you guys have asked just how things have been going with my skin and everything, and so don't want to leave you guys hanging with that question. So I've got a few videos lined up and then I'll get an update out to you guys, but in the meantime, enjoy this video. Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome to Soil and Sasson. I'm Josephina and I just got back from my kids' co-op and I had a package in the mail that I'm super excited to share with you guys. So I am going to unbox this package from High C with you guys that I am super excited to have received. Let's check out what's inside. Take a look at these. Oh my God. How adorable are these boots? Oh my God, I'm so excited. So they're rubber rain boots and they've got a steel toe here in the front. And then this is supposed to be waterproof. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are these not the most adorable rain boots you have ever seen? So like I was saying, these are waterproof. So there's like a fabric up here and this is all rubber here with the steel toe in the front. I love the smell of new shoes. I am so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. There are so many options from this company where you can get like the half boot. You can get just, I don't even know what they're called, the shorter kind. But there's like a variety of like different material, different designs, print on them. I can't wait to try this. Let me make sure there's nothing else inside. We're gonna try this on and then we're gonna go outside because I need to do something in the chicken coop. And listen guys, I'm wearing a skirt. I don't normally do any kind of like outdoor work in skirts. Honestly, I don't even do work inside my house in skirts, as comfortable as they are. It is what it is. All right, I got my socks on. Let me prep both of them. I'm so excited about these. Are these not so cute? Okay, so for those of you who've been following me for a while, you guys know that I have been going through it with my skin this entire year. It's been awful. So because of that, a lot of things have been neglected. Like my garden has not been touched in over 2 months, and the chickens my kids have been helping me with. That bucket though, it needs a serious deep cleaning. So what I'm gonna do, along with switching out the mats with these that I have, this is not sponsored by Little Clucker. So along with putting these in, I ordered another set of cups, and the bucket that I currently have for them, from them knocking it over so many times in the last 2 years, because anytime it gets empty, I keep it outside on some blocks from them standing on it, because that's how they let me know that they are out of water. It has knocked it over, and that same cup has gotten blow after blow, and so it finally snapped. But that took 2 years worth before one cup finally gave out. So I'm gonna replace that one cup, keep these as all my backups, and I'm gonna give that bucket a serious scrubbing before I refill it. So let's go take care of those things. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I feel really silly coming out to do chicken chores with a skirt on, but I'm not about to dirty up more clothes just to do this. So we're gonna enjoy the breeze and comfort that skirts offer while doing this work. So here's my chicken area. You see I duct taped where the cup fell because I just have not been able to get to it. But here's their little coop area. Currently it's on the mound because it's been hurricane season with all the rain and everything. The mound has been the safest place for them to stay away from all of the wet, soggy soil. So, time to work. So just to show you guys what we currently have, I've got these like little pieces of like fake grass that are in there. And the thing that I'm not liking about them, it is easy to clean, especially compared to having to do like straw all the time. My issue with straw was that my chickens no matter what they had going on, whether they were on fresh grass or they were out free ranging, if they saw me put any kind of straw bedding into the nesting boxes, they would immediately come in here and kick it all out and peck through it. Ugh, somebody's pecking me right now. Excuse me? Ma'am, those are not real flowers on my skirt. So, in order to stop wasting money on that not staying in there, I decided to give those a try. And I'm liking them because they're so much easier to deal with. And when I want to clean them out, all I have to do is hose them off. But because of like all of those little thin pieces of plastic, the little fake grass blades, the poop will get like crusted onto it, and trying to get it off sometimes is a hassle. So I got these. I'll put an Amazon link for where you can get them. But I got these from Little Clucker so that I can test out to see if I prefer this over having to do the fake grass. Unfortunately, I didn't bring a basket, so we're just gonna keep those together. So take this out. Again, these are not horrible, but I'm really liking the idea of these more because look at them. They're nice and soft and squishy for the chickens. So we'll put that there. And that'll be their new place to lay eggs. That way when the eggs land, they've got all these ridges so that it's not easily just like rolling around everywhere. Ma'am, can you stop yelling when I'm trying to talk to our friends? Stop being so loud. Stop. We've got visitors. She always squats like that when I say her name. I know, I scared you again. Listen, people on Instagram love them some Wendy girl. Oh, look at how easily they just perfectly fit my little milk crate nesting boxes. So let me transfer these eggs. Oh my. And look at that. Yay! How do you ladies feel? Look at my boots. Butter, look at my boots. Look at my boots, Wendy. Look at my boots. Look at them. Do you like them? I'm gonna go with yeah. All right, so we're gonna take our mess. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, thank you. Appreciate you. Oh, look. We have nesting boxes, but we choose not to use them. We'll just keep you guys all together. Just gonna take these nasty things. I'm not gonna throw these away. I'm just gonna rinse them off, wash them, have them for backup. Take care of you later. Ladies, I got you new nesting pads. Go ahead and check them out. And look at my boots while you're heading there. Look at my boots. Why aren't you guys paying attention to my boots? Look. Do you like them? All right, now let's tackle this beast. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of this bucket because life happens to people. Sometimes we get sick, things get hectic and crazy, and we can't take care of things the way we normally would. And unfortunately, my chicken bucket shows. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside of it because we're all human, and this is not how you want to keep a chicken bucket. But again, life happens. And so here's me saying, me too, you're not a terrible person. Let's just do the thing and clean it and get it back to where it should be. Look at that. That is so disgusting. I am going to scrub the poo out of all that. This is where that one had broken. So I'm gonna peel this away, give this all a massive scrubbing, and then we'll put the new cup in its place. now that I'm done, it has started to sprinkle, which is totally okay. My feet stayed nice and dry. The fabric got wet and I don't feel a dang thing inside. These are fantastic. I'm so happy. It's a molting party in here. So feathers are everywhere and people are looking real scraggly. What do you guys think about my boots? Huh, Florinda? Hello? Guys, I care what you think and nobody's telling me. Frosty, look at my boots. Guys, Ethel, do you like my boots? Do you like my boots? Chocomil, do you like my boots? So now I'm gonna take myself inside before the rain starts coming down. But all of the links to everything that I have, whether it's the cups, the mats, or the boots, are gonna be linked down in the description box. For the boots, if you go to High Seas website, I have a 10% off discount code, Soil and Sazon. I'll put that down here and I'll also link it in the description box so that you can use it and get yourself some cute behind boots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hope that you're willing to hit that subscribe button. Stick around with me for a while on my journey to becoming a homesteader and teaching you how to make Mexican food from scratch. I'll see you in the next one.